What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage. Today we're heading over to CA Tune's open house, which should be pretty awesome. I got Rachel behind me in the M4 and I got Chris, my buddy, in a 328 E36 drift car. So we're gonna cruise in and I will show you guys all the awesome stuff. I'm sure there's just gonna be like some amazing cars there. With these type of things, there's usually some really rare stuff, so I'll try to show that to you guys. This will just kind of be like a vlog video. I have to say, this is the first time I've seen the M4 next to me, and it looks bad freaking ass. Oh my gosh. It looks awesome. All right, so Rachel drove the M4. How was that?
It was fun. It's a boat.
Yeah, steering is way heavier than the S3, huh?
Yeah, it really is.
All right, so here's the M4. It's looking good. Don't know if I've showed you guys, but I put it on Swift springs, so now it's looking pretty badass. I really like the look of it. It just really ties the car together. And got all that like carbon. And then here's the Bird E30. Got that rear carbon fiber deck lid. Got the carbon sunroof delete, the cage, all that stuff. Now, here it is, chilling on the ARC8s. And this week, I'll be ripping out the M20 and putting in the S52. So it's officially gonna start. So I know you guys are waiting on that.
Oh, fish, yeah. Okay. Never mind. Oh, that's fucking close.
It's not though.
Oh, it's not. It's like wide angle.
Right? So this is Chris's 328, like I was talking about. It's pretty sweet drift spec right now. You picked this up for like 600 bucks. And obviously he's put more money into it, but it looks badass. I love these cheap like starter cars, and then you dump a bunch of money into them, make them awesome. This one's about to get a massive brake kit pretty soon. It's a guy that I autocross with. This thing is pretty sweet. It says the V8 in it right now. We got Rome's ST right here. I'll try to link his Instagram down there in the bottom. This thing is pretty sweet. He's always throwing like every single fancy part that you can on these Fords. Look at this seat. All carbone, fully gutted, all the goodness. Give this thing a test here. Ooh. Oh yeah, that feels good. Solid, very nice. These canards are badass, like actually super legit. Got these 6-piston Willwoods up front. Craziness on this. How much does this weigh?
Try to get to 2400.
2400?
But it's got a lot of weight off.
Dang.
It's probably at 24 or a little under right now.
That's awesome. Got my twin right here. So Rachel's loving the Ladia right here. This is Igor's. He imported this thing. I guess back in the day his family used to have one of these and he picked one up. So very, very cool. Check him out on Instagram if you guys want to see a sweet E92. right there. M3AN_65. This thing is badass. Race Tex, he's got that in performance wheel in there. Got it on the ARC8s. Barely see him right now. He just wrapped it this like Viper green. Looks pretty awesome. Oh, this is also a Dynan car, and it's a Dynan stroker. So this thing is like super rare. Engine is signed by Steve Dynan. It's a beast. This thing's awesome. You got the M2 right here. This
Curly gray or something. I don't know.
This is, I think, yeah, you did say it was a gray, huh? Gosh, it looks white. So this is the first time I've seen this color here. It is super nice. The competition, that nice little cover, carbon fiber mirrors. Ooh, that nice rear diffuser. Something I just noticed, I guess M2s don't have a carbon fiber roof. I never really noticed that, but cool. This is what I was trying to find for a moment. Here's one of the CA-tuned off-road trucks, probably one of the cleanest old school 4Runners that I've seen. Very, very nice. Super cool. Way slow. Awesome. It's got the Marlin crawler, dual transfer cases in it. Probably's got the fully built, you know, with the high steer and all that stuff. Oh no, still IFS. Very clean build though. I think I found like the best track car here. Look at this thing. Mini Cooper with a freaking something swap. I don't know what that is. Some sort of Honda motor. I don't know Honda things.
Dude, let me walk in front of you.
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude?
Alright guys, so that was super cool. CA-tune, we got the Grape E30 right there. Awesome day, met a lot of you guys, so if I met you, what's up guys? That was very cool, thanks for coming up to me. Love meeting people and talking to everybody. Always a great time out here, saw some super cool stuff, so we'll talk to you guys soon, later, and